name is Pranav. Today we'll be discussing about finance as a profession. So before I start, there are two myths that is prevailing in this industry. The first thing is that people believe that finance and accounts are same. Second thing is that finance is all about number crunching. So finance is not, it's not same as of accounts. Accounts is all about recording different transactions, whereas in finance you actually learn how do you mint money from different sources and how do you make your firm look financially strong or independent. So two different streams require two different skill sets and it's completely different from each other. Second thing is that there are only few profiles in finance industry which demands you to have a good skill set in number crunching, but apart from other, the kind of profiles offered are quite same, and if you have a good knowledge in finance overall, you would do good in that kind of profiles. So in today's session I'll be telling you the kind of profiles that you will be offered once you do your MBA in finance. The second thing is that the kind of skill sets that you actually require to do finance as a professional. So first thing is that the profiles obviously depend upon the kind of B school that you get into. For example, the hardcore profiles of finance, which includes investment banking, asset management, portfolio management, wealth management, risk management, derivatives, forex, are given to a bunch of people who belong to the top creamy layer of B schools. And eventually when you come down the ladder, the kind of profiles the other students would be getting are decent enough to start off. But having said that, once you gauge the experience and have the knowledge about the kind of firm or the kind of industry that you're working, you can eventually get into that desired profile of yours and start working on that even. So things are almost same for all the people. It's just that they get little early access to those hardcore profiles, but then eventually if you can do good, you will surely get into those profiles. So that's about the profile and the kind of areas that you can work after your MBA in finance. Second thing is that the kind of skill sets. The first and the main important skill set is having a good command in Excel, because if you talk about any kind of valuation models or building up any forecasting models, you would actually do these kind of things in Excel. So to have a good command in Excel is very important. Second thing is that if you are who have that power of analytical skills, seeing the company's profit and loss account and balance sheet, you should be in a position to understand if the company is sinking or if the company is growing up the ladder. So such type of skill set you feel that you are having, and or else you want to develop this skill set, then I think finance is something that you have to look after, because as a field or as a profession, this is something that is huge in demand, and people from this industry are highly respectable throughout the globe. So these kind of active skill sets or these kind of profiles, if you want to get into, you can target finance for sure. The second beauty of this stream is that people are actually interested to know about the IPO, and they are interested to know about the different kind of segments that lie in finance. And finance is also giving you that opportunity to explore yourself out into multiple domains, and it does not limit yourself to one single domain or one single industry. You can work in different industry doing different roles, because if you know the technical aspects of finance, then working in any environment or any industry would not be a matter or would not be a problem for you. So that's the beauty of finance. So if you are a person who actually have this kind of skill set, or you actually want to know exactly about finance in depth and would really know how money is being minted and how the companies are getting money on a quarter basis, we call them as quarters in technical terms. So then I think you should choose up finance as your profession, or in the kind of area you want to pick up in an MBA. This adds a lot of value to your credibility, and also give you that kind of respect and a kind of addition to yourself. Wherever you go, you actually having that kind of respect, and can also work in different sources and mediums, and also can have a good living out of this profession. Thank you.